Hey guys, so before the video starts, as you know, we literally just got back from the Netherlands from our 3 weeks on the boat. We have another project. We've got a lot of places we're looking to explore, but we thought we'd release a video this week purely because we didn't get a chance last week. So this video is just a short one, but it's just showing you what we've been up to for the last couple of weeks. Next week we will be back exploring, so I hope you enjoy this little short. Channel. So a little bit different this week. So for those of you that have been following our adventure, as well as exploring and renovating our boat and obviously doing our big tour next year, we're also renovating a house. So as you've probably seen in past videos, we've renovated all this building here, and this is now our sitting room, dining room. But I have decided that I'm going to set myself up as a full-time photographer. So I need a studio. So the one room in this conversion that hasn't been done yet, or isn't going to be done for probably quite a while, is going to be our kitchen. So we've decided to start doing the kitchen. So we thought we'd take you guys along and show you exactly how. Unfortunately, we forgot that we didn't video what it looked like before.
We did it again, third time.
Yeah, this is our rubbish pile, just to give you an idea. But I will try and find a photo and we'll put it up here. Here.
In front of my face.
Just to show you what exactly we started with. Yeah. But let's show you how we're getting on so far.
So this room is deceptively big. It's actually about 18 square meters of floor space. So we have emptied it, as you saw the previous picture. We've emptied it. It was full of spiders, full of loads of creepy crawlies, and we even found a frog. So we've emptied it, cleaned it, and now we're ready to paint it and get it all nice and fresh, ready for Matt's studio. So we think that this room was originally used by the previous owners as a shop. We know they had a shop because we found some old photos upstairs, and they used to sell like jam made from the fruit trees that are on the land. And we've come across a few random things, like loads of nails in all of the beams. So I think they used to hang stuff off of there.
Hopefully produce.
as a shop. And we also found a Merry Christmas sign, so it's a bit of a giveaway. But we are repainting the beams in a lovely dark green colour, and the walls are going to be white. Matt needs a really white room for his studio. I think it's going to take us quite a long time to paint it, because it's all bare stone. But wish us luck, and we'll show you when it's done.
Okay, so we're a couple of hours in now, and we have a first coat on this wall here, which looks so much nicer. If you think it looked like these walls this morning, and now it's all nice and white. And we've started to paint the beams as well. So it's really freshening it up, making it look nice in here. So yeah, we're gonna grab some lunch, and then next wall. Okay, so we did quite a little bit of work off camera, purely because the last thing you guys want to see is us just painting white on white. So, all of these walls now, I'll just get that bit past, all of these walls now have all been coated in white. They look so much fresher. We've got a curtain up on our divide. We've also done, I'll show you guys, our front door has now been painted, both sides. And the windows cleaned as well, it's been a massive difference. The roof as well, as all the beams have been painted, and the white. So I am on the next section. So we've got a middle section here, and then a third section at the end. So this is where the screen for my photography is going to be mounted up on this beam here. So I need to finish painting these beams and the ceiling, and then we can get the screen up and start working out where everything else is going to go. So yeah, more painting. So all the walls and the roof have now been painted. Cup of tea. The next job is to get the floor painted. So this is going to take about 3 or 4 days with drying times, with proper garage paint, so it's nice, hard and wearing. So let's get painting again. Honestly, there will be more than just painting, I'm sure. day 3, I think, on this. I've painted that floor and the wall so many times now that I've lost track of time. So it's second coat on the floor day today, but we can't paint that till this afternoon. So first job is to get up some floor tiles, paving slabs, patio slabs that I've got lying around to make a little path. So tools, let's get them dug out. You can see I've got quite a bit hot, plus it also had a bit of downpour of rain, so it's been quite wet as well. But that's the slabs down. We're going to move some pots around here, and then we've got to try and make a sign. But first, another coat of floor paint, and then that will take 48 hours to dry, in which time we can get everything else in there, all the lights, the camera stuff, and we're pretty much ready to go then. So yeah, nearly there. Okay, so we've added the second coat to the floor. I avoided showing you guys that because how many times can you see paint on the floor in one day? The outside now looking a lot better, so we're probably going to end our video here. As I said before, it's just a short video, but I just wanted to show you what we were doing in this little bit of spare time. We haven't stopped vlogging. Next week we are off on an explore, so all back to normal. We're going to go and find some nice places and obviously take you guys along for the ride. If you want to see the finished studio, check out my Instagram. I'll leave a link at the bottom. It'll also be in the description, and you'll get to see how it looks at the with all the lights and everything finished off. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Me and Jess love having you guys come along with our trip, and we love doing these vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to share. Tell everybody about our videos, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.